Assalamu Alaikum.
Welcome to week 4 of our 90 Days Surah Al-Baqarah Memorization Challenge. This week, we'll focus on verses 91 to 121, taking another meaningful step in this beautiful journey. Today is day 21, and it's time to review verses 62 to 90. Take this opportunity to reinforce what you've learned, strengthen your connection with the Quran, and ensure these verses stay with you for life. Revision is the foundation of effective memorization, so let's begin with sincerity and focus.
This week, we'll be memorizing verses 91 to 121, continuing our steady progress through Surah Al-Baqarah. Remember to focus not just on the words but also on understanding the meanings behind them. Dedicate a quiet time each day to this sacred task, and take things step by step. With consistency and devotion, these verses will become part of your heart and soul, inshallah.
Assalamu Alaikum.
Keep pushing forward, and may Allah make this path easy and rewarding for you. Don't forget to review today and as often as possible to solidify each verse in your memory. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue with our challenge. Let's make each day count, inshallah.